Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the text effect behind object on your videos in CapCut PC. Alright, so for instance I'm going to select my video to the right and I'm going to add text. Select the bold text, or you can select effect and then you can select text template. But I want to add the bold text and then just body duration in some lanes and change body text, for example, and you can resize and change body color. All right, and change the font style. All right, select the clips, right click, and then select create compound clips. So the same video and put on top another clip, so which is as an overlay. All right, go to select the overlay, go to cutout, select auto cutout to remove the background. So you can see the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.